Morning, everybody. All right, one more time. Good morning, everybody. Awesome. All right. Mrs. Morin and Mrs. Jones. Let's start off with you guys. That way I don't forget you. How about that?
Like one of the best things in the world we've had to be able to do. We've had a couple more students complete their 40 hours related to the main career badge, and we will be giving a couple $500 checks so we could have Haley Martin and Michael McCullough come down.
That's a great way to kick it off and give out $500. Congratulations, Michael and Haley. Mr. Burgoyne, would you like to come over and say a few things about athletics?
You're too kind, you're too kind. Last night, our boys basketball team, if you guys would stand, won the Kennebec Valley Athletic Conference Class B with their victory, and they finished 17-1. Stand up, guys. They will be playing next Friday night either at 7:05 or at 8:30, depending on how the heel points. It looks like 8:30 we'll be playing next Friday night, but it could change depending on one of the outcomes of the basketball game. We'd also like to have the girls' ice hockey team stand up. They will be playing up the Brewers tonight at 5 o'clock. They'll be playing the Pioneers, and they're going to win the game tonight, so we're looking forward to that. Congratulations to you guys. Could we have our wrestlers stand up? Any wrestlers here? They will be participating this weekend. They will be making a long trek down to Freiburg this weekend to compete for the Southern Maine Regional Final in wrestling. Good luck to you guys. And the indoor track team members, stand up, please. Tonight at Bowden, and I look forward to it because we're going to be there at Bowden tonight, and we'll be doing the award ceremony at 11 o'clock, so we're really looking forward to that. So we'll have fun at that. All right, could I have the following students please come down here? Brooke Dunn, Audrey Dolly, Kylie Hernandez, Lila Tootle, Natanya Lilly, Alexis Trask, Allison Spencer, Harper McCullough, Adeline Salampa, Maya Vayu, Tyre Ware, Brody Davidson, Shauna Martin, and Mary Day. Although I do not have a $500 check to give you guys, I do want to congratulate you, first of all, being the Class C Southern Maine Regional runner-ups, but also tomorrow, Saturday night at 4:48. Is that the time you're performing?
4:54.
4:54, I apologize. 4:54, they will be going for the state title, and they got a really good chance to make some noise tomorrow night. So let's give a big round of applause for our cheerleaders. Does anybody want to say there's a team captain here? Captain, team captain?
We're going to be great, so go to the competition because we're going to win. So go.
Good luck to everybody this weekend. It's been fun.
Ladies and Brody, best of luck tomorrow. We'll be there cheering you on in the stands. So again, the exact time is 4:54, 4:52. If you're there at 4:30, you're not going to miss it. So let's get a good student section out there to support the ladies and Brody as they go on and win states tomorrow. Congratulations and best of luck. Alrighty, freshman homeroom teachers, come on now. Freshman homeroom teachers.
Good morning, Camp Winslow, and a happy Friday to you. This student of the month is involved in drama, very conscientious, and has a high level of motivation with her schoolwork. She is an outstanding collaborator and is an active participant in class discussions. She always has a positive attitude and is compassionate with her peers. We are happy to present the student of the month to Aubrey Morse. Now a quick wrap. Please go.
Thank you, Mr. Goldsmith. Congratulations, Aubrey. All right, sophomore homeroom teachers, come on now.
Good morning. Our sophomore student of the month is very deserving of being named for this award. The student takes their academics very seriously and is currently doubling up and doing 2 different math courses. They help other students and works well in group assignments. They're an active class officer and contributes to sophomore class events, which is needed as we head into Winter Carnival in the next couple of weeks. They volunteer outside of school to help run a nursery for church, and if that was not enough, they find time to be very involved with dance team. It's Addie Blackstone.
Congratulations, Addie. Juniors, come on down.
Okay, so for junior student of the month, we have Cooper Blakely. Thoughtful and intelligent student. He is a supportive, respectful teammate and classmate. He has a positive attitude and is a positive role model for the community as a reader for the elementary school.
Congrats, Cooper. And last but not least, let's hear it for the senior homeroom teacher.
This senior, can you hear me? Can you hear me? This senior student of the month is polite and respectful to staff and peers alike. He is quiet and unassuming, but he makes his presence known. He was a great mentor to the freshmen and wears many hats as the manager of the basketball team. Quite frankly, he is a model of how Black Raiders should hold themselves in and out of the classroom. We are lucky to have Kayla Marquis as
Congratulations, Caleb. I can't think of a better way to end the week, except for you still have 2 more classes to get through today. So I know, devastation. Congratulations to all the students of the month. Best of luck to all the sports teams that are still going on. Cheerleaders, best of luck tomorrow. You guys will bring home some gold. Can't wait.